Y'all, let's make Prince's favorite meal for his birthday. We are cleaning the fish, soaking it in salt water for about 10 minutes, and then I had to start cutting it up into pieces. And then I got my eggs and my fish batter, cracked them eggs open, put some smoked paprika in my fish batter, and we are frying. That smoked paprika just sets it off for me. And I have to wash my hand a million times from touching this fish. I'm cutting it up right now. That's that coleslaw, mac and cheese, and some baked beans. I made him a cake. We got a fish tray, oh my God, a fruit tray, and some cookies, and some candy, and wine. And here he is with his best friend, Mario. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned.